Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinkerbell83, and to this video I'm gonna do an unboxing. I received a box. That's one. Let's check it out. Okay. There you go. Oh, what is this, guys? This is the ring light. Yeah, I have the ring light. There you go. Yes. Finally, I have a ring light. Yeah, here it is. This I Jesus Christ, that's broke. You see, I just opened it and it's broke. No, just kidding. There you go. So I have also a ring light now, and this is the instruction. Let me check how it works. Okay, one like that. You need to put this. I think, yeah. I think this part, I think, guys, here. Yeah, I think here. Hmm. I don't know, guys. I will try, okay? Yeah, I think this is the right place. Uh, I will not broke this one. Of course, this is the stand. Mm-hmm. Okay, something like this. Just a moment, I will show you. Okay, something like this. And then, okay. Next, I think this one. Yeah, I think this is one here. Okay, and then yeah, this is for the phone. Okay, it's scary, guys. Okay, so okay, so I think you need to just a moment. Here can adjust here. I think. Okay, now this is for okay, look, so that it will more. Okay, I think it's okay now. So, okay, perfect. It's not moving anymore. Yeah. So, this is it, guys. Finally, I have also a ring light. I have also a ring light. Yeah. Which I can use it for if I will do a live streaming during night. Okay, we will try to switch it on. Oops. As you can see, there is the USB, so you can insert also this one in your laptop. There we go. Let's see. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Okay, this is Now we will try to, oh my god. Okay, what do you think, guys? Is it needed? Wow, look at the lights, very strong. We can try to adjust maybe. See, yeah, we will try to adjust the lights. Uh-huh. How it goes? Ah, you see, you can also adjust the lights. You can lighter like this, and if you want more lights, then it's like this. Yeah. So this one, remote. Okay. Oh, good. What is this? Ah, okay. So this is it. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I will use this one for doing my stream. So, for those who haven't subscribed me yet, don't forget Tinkerbell83, and please ring the bell also, guys, so that you're updated to all new videos I'm going to upload. Okay, bye guys.